The truth is simple. A business can only grow as fast as the people building it. In a world that changes every week, skills are the difference between falling behind and breaking through. So how do you rise above? Upskilling. Upskill so customers find you first. Upskill so daily work becomes faster, easier, and smarter. Upskill towards better accuracy, organization, and productivity. Upskill to protect everything you've worked hard for. Upskill to make decisions based on facts, not guesswork. In this world, the only way to succeed is to upskill. Upskill with Informatics Microcredentials. Short, fast, and flexible programs that lead to big breakthroughs. And every breakthrough starts with Informatics Microcredentials. Scan the QR code to start upskilling today.